In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and use Brave Wallet. If you're already using the Brave browser, the wallet is built right in, which makes getting started quick and secure. We'll open the wallet, walk through the initial setup, and then explore how to view your assets, send and receive tokens, swap between coins, and connect to decentralized apps. First, open Brave Wallet. Look to the top right of your Brave browser and click the small wallet icon in the toolbar. If you don't see it, you can also type Brave/wallet directly into the address bar and press Enter. That takes you to the wallet home, where everything begins. On the welcome screen, click Get Started. Here you have two options. You can create a new wallet or import an existing one from another provider like MetaMask, a different software wallet, or a compatible hardware wallet. If you're creating a new wallet, you'll be given a recovery phrase. This phrase is the master key to your funds, so write it down and store it offline in a safe place. Never share it and don't save it in screenshots or cloud notes. If you're importing, carefully enter your existing recovery phrase to restore your accounts. Either way, you'll set a strong local password to lock the wallet on this device. This password protects access on your computer, but it does not replace the recovery phrase, so keep both responsibilities in mind. Once setup is complete, you'll land in your wallet dashboard. Here you can see your accounts, balances, and the networks you're connected to. You can manage assets like ETH8, ERC20 tokens, and even NFT, which will appear under the collectibles section when supported. To receive tokens, select the account, copy your wallet address, or show the QR code and share it with the sender. Always confirm you're on the correct network before receiving funds. To send tokens, choose the asset, enter the recipient address, review the estimated network fee, and confirm the transaction. A smart practice is to test with a small amount first. If you need to swap tokens, use the built-in swap feature. Pick the token you're swapping from and the one you want to receive. Review the quoted rate, slippage, and fees, then confirm. Finally, when a decentralized app prompts you to connect, choose Brave Wallet in the connection window, review the permissions, and approve. Disconnect when you're done for added peace of mind. That's it. You've opened Brave Wallet, completed the initial setup, and learned the essentials for managing assets, swapping tokens, and connecting to dApps.